This is Loki. He's our 9-week-old hob, and he really likes chicken. A little too much, actually. He eats his kibble really good with his sister, and he eats his pinkies really good with his sister, but he gets a little upset about chicken. Ready, buddy? Ready? You're all right. Come here, come here, come here. It's okay. You're all right. You're all right. You can have it. It's all yours. No, nobody's gonna take it from you. It's okay. It's all yours, buddy. No, you can have the whole thing. I promise. I'll just hold the seat. There you go. It's all yours. There you go. See? Oh, it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay. You can, Loki. You can have the whole thing, baby. I promise you. I'm not going to take it. Your sister's not going to take it. No, you're okay. You're okay. You can have the whole thing right there. See? It's all yours. It's all yours. There you go. Good boy. You're all right. Now once he starts eating it, he's okay. But up until that point, he as you can see, he gets a little aggravated. We've been doing this for almost a week, feeding him chicken by hand once a day, hoping that he'll start to calm down a little bit once he realizes that nobody's taking his food and it's not going anywhere. And you're okay. You're okay, buddy. And after he's done, he'll go steal whatever chicken his sister didn't finish.